second sequence. All in all, you're going to need 5 more sequences, just like what we did with you here. And the only difference is when you're going to knit your last sequence, you will only have 6 stitches left on your left hand needle. Instead of 7, you will have 6. And the other thing, I have it all pointed out in the pattern. In the last bind off, just like we bound off 8 stitches at the end of the sequence. On your last sequence, you will only have 7 stitches to bind off. And now here I have completed all of my 6 repeats, 6 sequences of 2 points, and here I have only one last stitch left after binding off 7 stitches. So here I'm going to show you what you're going to do at the very end. So your last stitch is on your right hand needle, and at the very end you're going to insert your needle into this first stitch that we already bound off, but you're going to insert the needle here and pull a new stitch through. And with the other needle you are going to slip the stitch from right hand needle over your last stitch that you just made. At this point you want to cut your yarn and pull the yarn through this loop, and you simply tighten the loop, and all you have left to do now is to weave in this end, hide it on the back side of your snowflake, and here it is. It's all ready for you to starch and block if you like. And there we go. We have knitted the it's snow time snowflake. Well, thank you for watching and have fun knitting snowflakes today. Bye.